guys, I'm going to show you how to make some sweet. When I say sweet, guys, I mean sweet Jamaican saltfish fritters. And I'm going to show you how my mom used to make it. I used to love when she made the fritters. What nice so. So guys, I'm cooking my saltfish first to remove that extra salt from the saltfish before we can start to make our fritters. So guys, in the meantime, while my saltfish is cooking, I'm going to show you all what I'm going to use to make my saltfish fritters. So I have some chopped onion, scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, a small amount of tomato. Okay, guys, when my mother used to make it, when you bite the fritters, you see every season. You see the scallion, the onion, the tomato, everything just come when you bite it. That taste inside of your mouth. And guys, I'm going to make it just like how my mom make it, because not nice and sweet. So I'm going to put a small amount of mixed spice inside of it, small amount of black pepper and all-purpose season, and a teaspoon of curry, and like a pinch of garlic. So guys, I want your fritters to taste nice, so you have to spice it up. So my saltfish finished to be cooked. And guys, when you cook your saltfish 2 times, you're going to taste it, and if it's too salt, you can cook it again. And guys, do not add any salt to your fritters. So guys, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to get in all of the ingredients inside of it. Small. I'm going to get it in the water. So guys, as you can see, I use my measuring cup. I'm going to mix. Get in the next cup of flour. So guys, the amount of flour you use instead of it, you can get your fritters very thick. So you have to know the measuring what you use, the amount of flour what you use inside of your to make your fritters, because you do not want your fritters to be extra thick. So I'm going to put a small amount more of flour inside of it. The look on it, guys, this kind of look like a bit watery, so that means that we can add a little more flour into it. So guys, my pot is on. So I'm going to lower the oil till it get hot before I put in my fritters. So guys, I'm going to test the oil to know if it's hot to put in the fritters. So my oil is hot. Time for me to get in the fritters. whatever size you want it, guys. You can drop it to the size that you want it to be fried. And make sure, guys, you fry your fritters on very low flame.